Hi, this is Neha. Now I'm going to explain about my database fifth experiment, that is views. Here we have some questions. My first question is create a view. My view name is customer view, and they have some customer ID, customer name from the table customer, and we have to change the heading of the city as customer city and display the table view table. My query is create a view customer as a select customer ID, customer name, city. I have to change the name city as customer city. So I have given customer city from the table customer. Here view is created. My second question is select the view name and the text from the user views data dictionary view. User views, that is data dictionary view, in the sense that the data that is already present in the database, that is in the user database. So my query is simple, so that is select star from the user views, and my output is here, and my output is here. Till here my user database view. And my third question is using your customer view, enter a query to display all customer names and customer city. That is the customer view is we are already created, and we have to display all the customer names and the customer city. The query is very simple, that is select customer ID, customer name, customer city from the my view name, that is customer view. Here is my output. And my fourth question is create a view name ca view. I have to create another new view called ca view that contains some customer ID, customer name as attributes for all the customers who are present in the city ca, and we have to display the structure. Here is my query create a view. I have my view name, and here is some attributes from the table customer, and we have given the condition, that is where state equals to ca, and uh, we have to sort it. So I have given, so here I have given the query select star from a from the view name. So here it is described, so here it is shown, and again before it I have given describe the view name. So for this here view is created, then I have given select star from view name. Here it is displayed my view table, new table, that is ca view. And my fifth question is attempt to reassign Mary to the city and T in a ca view. The his view is updatable. Yes, my answer is yes, it is updatable. And my query is update view name city as NT as they asked in question, and they given as customer name as Mary Smith. So in my condition where customer name is Mary Smith. So to display all the to display the table, so I have given star select star from ca view. Here is my output. Then my sixth question is create a view. We have to create three views, that is v1, v2, v3. In the view 1, v1 they have given some attributes called customer name, order ID and the quantity, whereas in v2 the attributes are order ID, order date and the date of the delivery. And in v3 customer name, order ID, order date, we have to combine v1 and v2 in the v3. So for these I have used three queries to create. For my first query is to create v1, and my second query is to create v2, and my third query is to create v3. In my first query I have given view name and select some and I have used the alias name for customer name for the attributes, same as I have created the view v2, I have to combine v1 and v2. So I have given create view with v3 as select distinct v1 dot customer name, v2 dot order id, v2 dot order date from the v1 v and v2. This is my third view, that is v3, and my output is here. And my seventh question, display the latest 10 orders. My query is select row number. I have to we have for displaying the latest 10 orders, we have to given the row number as a keyword. Then I have given some attributes. Inside that I have used as subquery, that is select order id, order date, and I have given some different queries from different tables. Here my condition, here after giving different attributes, I have to sort for latest 10 orders. So I have used DESC for decreasing order, and I have given row number equals to 8 as my condition. My eighth question is list the two order ID with the least order quantity. Here is my query. I have select row, again I have selected the row number for least order quantity. I have given some attributes. Inside that I have given subquery, that is select order ID, order some attributes and from some different tables. Here I am going to sort it by ascending order, and I have given condition where row number is less than or equals to 2. Here is my output, that is least order quantity. And my ninth question is find the IDs of the customer who have ordered for a cherry or red oak finish. And here is my query. Select customer ID from the order one, where order ID I have used the keyword called in, and again after in I have used the subquery for order ID from the table order quantity, and I have given some condition product ID equals to, after the product ID I have used the keyword called any. After any I have used again I am going to use the subquery. In that I have given some different attributes with different tables, and I have given two conditions, that is product material equals to cherry or product material equals to red oak. Here is my customer ID who has ordered the red cherry or red oak. My 10th question is find the IDs of the customer who have ordered for the product table lamp. Uh, Here is my query. We have to find the IDs of the customer that who have ordered the table lamp. For that I have to display the customer ID, so I have given select customer ID from the table order one, and again I have used the keyword called in. After in I have used a subquery. In that subquery I have given some attributes from the table order quantity. Again I am going to use my third subquery after in. For in that I have to give product ID from the table product, where product description equals to table lamp. Here is my output. And my 11th one is find the details of the customer who have ordered for product ID 1000. I have to find the details that who have ordered for the product 1000, product ID 1000. For these I have again going to use two subqueries, that is have to select star from customer where customer ID. After in I have used one subquery. After second in I am going to use my second subquery. In my first query I have given some condition, that is where order ID in the second subquery. In second subquery I have used the product ID as 1000 as they asked in question. Here is my output, that is the customer who have ordered for product ID 1000. My 12th question is find the supplier whose total supply is greater than some supplier called S3. I have given some attributes from the table supplier, and I have given order quantity greater than any. After any, I have given another subquery, that is where SID equals to S3. Find the supplier with the highest rating using all. In that, I have used some queries. Select S name from the supplier where rating equals to all of select max of rating from the supplier. In my question, they asked highest rating, so I used the max. Here is my output. My 14th question is display the products that are same as product ordered by Henry Smith. Here I have given product description from the table product where product ID. Again I am using two subqueries. Sorry, three subqueries. In my first subquery, I have given the condition called order ID in. Then in my second subquery, I have given customer ID in. Then third subquery. In my last subquery, I have given customer name equals to Henry Smith. My 15th question, display the supply details whose supplied quantity is greater than the quantity of the order ID 103. Here I have used Aloy's name from the table supplier. In subquery I have in subquery also I have used Aloy's name from the table order quantity. And given I have given condition order ID equals to 103 as they asked in question. And my under question is supplier quantity is greater than the quantity of the order ID, so S dot order ID quantity greater than ordered quantity. And my last question is display the ordered quantity of the order whose order date is greater than the order ID of 106. Select OQ dot ordered quantity from the order. Select here I am using the Aloy's name for the ordered quantity from the table ordered quantity. Here I have given some condition where order ID equals to any subquery. In that subquery, my condition is order date greater than any. And my after any, I have used under subquery. In that subquery, my condition is order ID equals to 106. This is my experiment. Thank you.